Back in 1941, which was during the war years, a group of women decided that they could get together and do some really important things to support patients and to help out the services provided at the hospital. They did teas where they raised money. Then they donated the money to various aspects of need at the Grace Hospital, which included pieces of equipment. They were much more than just a little fundraising group. They really established an identity. And then when the auxiliary moved to the now BC Women's Hospital and Health Centre, we carried that legacy of caring and giving all the way from those early years.
I joined the auxiliary in 1972. We had a wonderful auxiliary membership. We had people from all walks of life, but we were all interested in the health of women and children.
Of course, raising money for the foundation was our uppermost, but then also being able to support women's health was important to me, being as a senior woman.
There are a lot of things I'm proud of as being part of the auxiliary, and one was working in the intensive with the tiny babies. We felt like we were doing something.
I'm proud to be a member of the auxiliary. It has given me a lot of happiness, and it gives me the opportunity to serve the community in other ways and that I would not have been able to do on my own.
I think my proudest contribution with the auxiliary has been over the years to really focus on fundraising and find various ways to improve our ability to make significant donations to the hospital. It's been kind of a creative effort.
The auxiliary to BC Women's Hospital is really made up of health champions. Without the auxiliary, we wouldn't have things like incubators and really key pieces of equipment. They've funded some really amazing research projects, and then their volunteer work in the hospital really makes the hospital a really, really special place.
Over the years, the auxiliary to BC Women's has been one of our most steadfast, consistent, and generous donors, raising millions. But their contributions to us have not been just in financial ways. They have supported us immeasurably through sharing their networks, being ambassadors for women and newborn health, and just being alongside us every step when we needed advocates, supporters, and champions for women and newborn health.
Their work has really supported patients and the health of women in so many different ways in all the research projects. That's something I think that they're really proud of, to be leading edge on some of that kind of donations and things that will support not just the families, but research into the future.
Winning the award as the Women's Health Champion is so special to all of us.
I really would like to thank the foundation for this recognition. It's incredibly meaningful to us.
It's nice to be recognized for the effort that we've put in over these years.
Knowing that the care that is provided is just beyond excellent. It feels like it's an organization that is so worthwhile and always works to provide better and better care. And that's inspirational to me.